Operating cycle is a very important concept that you need to understand in order to ace various levels of the ACCA examinations. It is tested probably the most in your financial management subject, and today I'm going to explain the operating cycle to all of you very quickly and briefly. So what is an operating cycle and why should you care about it? So operating cycle is essentially the amount of time it takes for you to receive your inventory, process your inventory, sell your inventory, and then collect cash from selling your inventory. Now, with that being said, your operating cycle is a sum of all of these time durations. So you receiving inventory, you processing inventory, you selling your inventory, and then finally you getting cash. So the formula to calculate your operating cycle is very simple. It is simply your inventory period plus your accounts receivable period. So the time it takes for you to get cash from your sales. Now, with that being said, students often ask, is a high operating cycle better or a low operating cycle better? Well, low operating cycles are often desired, and it indicates an efficient business. And the reason for that is businesses want to be able to sell their inventory quickly. They want to be able to process their inventory quickly. And most importantly, they want to be able to get money into the business quicker. With that being said, your final question to me might be, okay, how do we achieve a lower operating cycle? So it happens in a few ways. Either you find a way to process your inventory faster, you find a way to sell your inventory faster, or you find a way to speed up your accounts receivable collection. Accounts receivable collections can be sped up in a few different ways. The most popular way is to probably provide discounts to your customers, wherein if they pay within a certain duration of time, they receive a higher discount than they normally would, or else they let go of the discount. There are several other ways to speed up your accounts receivable. This may include factoring, this may include giving discounts, like I said earlier, and other ways. If you found this video helpful, why don't you check out more videos that we've made.